In this video, let me show you the way that you can delete your Discord account. If you don't want to use Discord account anymore and you're trying to completely delete it, in today's video, let me show you the quick process. Now, before you are able to delete your Discord account, you need to make sure that any servers that you have created or that you own must be transferred or deleted. For example, if you have created a server inside of Discord, you need to either transfer this ownership to other people by heading over to the members option, which is inside of server settings. If you head over to members, you can see all of the members that are available in this group. You just need to transfer the ownership. But if you don't want to transfer the ownership, you can also choose to completely delete the server. You can scroll down and click on the delete server option, enter in the server name, and then click on delete server. Once the server now has been deleted, you can head over to the user settings option. And then inside of my account, if you scroll down, you'll see the option delete account right here. You need to enter in your password. It says right here, this will immediately log you out of your account and you will not be able to log in again. So this is a permanent process. Once you type in the password and click on delete account, your account of Discord will be deleted. You also do have the option of disable account, but if you want to make it temporary. So that's all there is in deleting your account of Discord. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.